Hi and welcome again. This is Year 9 Maths. We are now on exercise 6I, and the purpose of this is to just discuss how sometimes one of the different measures of spread, the mode, the median or the mean, might not be the best way of saying what the centre of the data is. Okay, so I'm going to look at question 1 from exercise 6I, and here we have the figures, the amounts saved by 8 different friends during the course of the year. So friend 1 saved $23, friend 2 $31, friend 3 $1,602, and so on and so forth. Now we need to find out some of the 3 different measures of spread. So first of all, I'm going to do a mean. Now the mean, to refresh, is we add up all of these values of data. So 23 plus 31 plus 1602 plus 58 plus 39 plus 31 plus 33 plus 23. And I get 1,840. And then I divide that by the number of people that we have here, which is 8. And that gives me a mean of $230 saved. Okay, now the mode is the item of data that appears the most times. Well, if we look here, we've got a 31 here, a 31 here. None of the other values are repeated, so $31 is the mode. Now for the median. Again, this is a bit of a review. The first step we must do when working out the median is to make sure we have our numbers in chronological order. So our smallest... Oh, I'm sorry, I've just realized that I made a mistake on the previous part. We've got 2 modes. We've got a 23 and also a 23 here. So our modes are $31 and $23. So 2 modes there. Okay. Now, for the median, we have to put our data in order. So we've got 23, 23, got rid of that one, got rid of that one. The next highest is our 31s, 31, 31. Then we've got a 33. Then we've got a 39. Then we've got a 58. And then we've got the big saver, 1,602. Okay, so it's now in order. There are 8 pieces of data. Median, you divide that 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Since it's an even set of data, we're going to take our 4th and our 5th values. So there's 3 on this side, 3 on that. And we're going to find the mean of these, or halfway between them. Well, halfway between 31 and 33 is $32. Now I hope you can see, as you look at these values here, that one of these measures of the centre of the data is not very good. And that clearly is this one here. Mean, median and mode are meant to give us a measure of the centre, where the middle of the data is. But if you look at mean here of 230, how many of the friends earned 230 and above? Just this guy. 1. In fact, all of the other friends are way below 230. So that's not really a good measure of the centre of the data at all. This brings us to one of the problems with finding means. Sometimes in a mean, you're going to have one really high value of data or one very low that pulls the mean down if it's a really low value, or up if it's a really high value, and it won't give you a good measure of centre. Median, on the other hand, isn't going to be so affected by those extreme values. So median will be a good measure in those cases. Okay, well I hope that's helped give you a little bit of an understanding to the kind of thinking that you need to go about to answer the questions in this exercise. Let me know, as always, if you have any questions, email me. Good luck.